Hi, and welcome to episode number 414 with whatsforchow.com. Chicken Kiev is a classic dish of chicken breast filled with garlic and parsley butter, crumbed and deep fried to golden perfection. This all sounds really easy until the butter melts and runs out of the breast. There is a trick to this, and this is how it goes. To make the garlic parsley butter, mash the butter, finely chop garlic and parsley together until well combined, then put this aside. Place the chicken breasts on a chopping board, smooth side down, and trim away the little fillets from the breast. Put these aside. Turn the breasts over. Starting about a quarter of the way in from the long edge of the breast, slice into the breast at a slight angle until you can flap the upper part of the breast back. Turn the breast 180 degrees and repeat this starting 3/4 of the way in from the edge. Flap this piece open, then repeat with the remaining breast. Place the chicken fillets on a piece of cling wrap. Fold the wrap over to enclose the fillets and use the base of a small saucepan to gently tap the fillets flat. Place half of the butter mixture into each of the breasts and flap the two edges over the butter to enclose it. Place a fillet over the join in the flaps to close it entirely. Place the chicken in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to set and firm up. While the chicken sets, combine the all-purpose flour, paprika, white pepper and salt. Measure out the dried breadcrumbs and lightly beat 3 eggs and pour these into a dish. Sprinkle a thin layer of the seasoned flour over a large platter. This is where the coated chicken Kiev will set, and the layer of flour will prevent the chicken coating from sticking to the platter and getting damaged. To coat the Kiev, dredge it in the seasoned flour. Dunk the chicken in the egg to wet all of the flour. Return it to the flour to get a good coating. Then back to the egg to make sure to wet all of the flour, especially the ends. Then it's into the breadcrumbs to get a good solid coating all over. Transfer the coated chicken to the platter and continue with the remaining chicken. Allow the coating to set for 20 minutes. Fill a large pan with oil to a depth of 1 inch and heat this over medium heat to a temperature of 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the chicken Kiev into the oil and fry these for 2 to 3 minutes per side until crisp and golden. Remove the breasts from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain any excess oil on kitchen paper. Serve the Kiev immediately with the accompaniments of your choice. And there we have it, the perfect chicken Kiev, filled with melted butter, garlic and parsley. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again tomorrow.